Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on quickly to show you the bag that I've chosen to take with me today. This is a Dainer leather belt bag. It is in royal blue with silver metal accents. It is a unique design, very beautifully done. It is very soft leather with a large pocket along the front. It also has your top zip pocket as well, and a pocket zipper along the back. It has a beautiful long strap as well as it is adjustable. It's seatbelt style in this chunky silver metal. These beautiful long pull tags. It has one pocket along the back of the bag. Dainer Leather is here in Canada. It is a full leather company that makes these gorgeous bags in all kinds of colors and designs, shapes and styles. Let's take a look and see what I have inside. I'm heading out to do some quick errands today, so I just took some gift cards that I have remaining and some point cards. I also have in here my headphones, a cable cord. I also have Band-Aids. I have my electrolyte drink mix as well. I have a mini nail file and a Burt's Bees lip gloss. That's all I have in the front pocket. In the back pocket of the bag, I have used this just to put a few items of makeup in. So I have my mascara in here. I also have an eyeliner. A lip gloss. I also placed a shout wipe in here as well. In the top zippered portion of the bag, I have in here quite a few items. So as you can see, this bag opens nice and wide. It is not full as much as it could be. There is so much more space in here. This is all I've taken and all I need with me today. So I have in here a pen, the Paper Mate Ink Joy. I have a hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works as well. I have a hand cream, Coconut Macaroon from Bath & Body Works. There's a back pocket along the back of the bag as well. And I have some more point cards in here. And I have this little wallet that I chose to take with me today. This is a Roots wallet. It is just a card holder, as well as it holds change in here. It's to be used as a small wristlet as well. The strap is long enough. The Roots signature stamp is along the bottom. It is almost a gold with a hint of sparkle in here. Again, it is just a Roots card wristlet. It holds everything I need for today. This is the bag that I have chosen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well. Also, I have placed some affiliate links down below. If you choose to purchase something you've seen in my bag today, please feel free to do so. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but I do get a small profit from that, and I do appreciate your support. Hope to see you soon.